Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel again today on another episode on how to make money online with Cash Day HQ. So today I will actually be sharing with you an update that I actually been paying. And if today is your first time of coming across our channel, do well to subscribe so you can see more updates that will be dropping. And let's go guys. Today I'll be walking you guys through on how to create your own account on Lucky Unscrew so that you guys can be able to earn some good cash for yourself. As you can see here, enter invitation code to receive an additional reward of $1 in the Lucky Unscrew app. So the invitation code, I'll put it in the description link so you guys can register with it. All right guys, so click on install now. This is the application. Click on install, and so the application is ready now. Let's click on play. So just like that guys, you can see now with as you can see on this top right corner, you can see the $1 that was promised, which is the bonus. So the $1 has been given. And also if you look down in this icon, so for this daily tax, you can see all that comprises of it. You can watch videos and you can earn from them as well. But then you can actually play games and have your time at which you can actually make some cool cash for yourself. So if you want to withdraw, you click on this angle of this $1, click on it. On this interface, you can see that the withdrawal method here is PayPal. So you can only use PayPal account to withdraw, and the minimum withdrawal here is $10. As you can see guys, so you can read through the instruction. You can see that once the amount is reached, you can withdraw. The funds will be transferred to your submitted account. Maximum 3 withdrawals per day. So you guys can make, you can make like 3 withdrawals per day. That's the maximum you can make per day, which is 3 withdrawal. Arrival time is within 1 minute to 24 hours, so which means it might not be instant, but at the same time it still works within 24 hours range. If issues occur, it will be handled within 3 working days. If you find this video helpful, ensure to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified on every of our new videos, and ensure to subscribe as well to our channel. Thank you so much.